Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 745 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. First thing you will need to do is to press and hold the up button to open the menu. After the menu opens, you can use the down or up buttons to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu until you select the system option, and once you select it, press the start/tab button to enter. Now let's scroll through the menu, find the option called reset. Once you select it, press the start button to enter. Here scroll down, select the option called delete data and reset settings, then press the start button. Now press the down button to continue, select yes, and then you can press the start button to confirm and start the resetting process. So let's press the button and wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.